This is an old school Korean style recipe from my grandmother. It has flour, water, and courgettes only. It predates the powdered packages of buchimgaru or pancake powders that you can find at the Asian markets. You need half a courgette, Julienne, the pieces, so they're quite small like this. You can also use this, and that's important because it just cooks better and also makes the shape of the pancake a lot nicer. What else is important when making these pancakes? The water and flour ratio is really important. It's 1:1. Don't use self-rising flour, use normal flour, or even the bread flour is fine. Remember the ratio, 1 flour to 1 water. Okay, and then whisk. It should be this consistency. It's almost like a cake batter. Add the courgettes. Yummy. Okay, so this is nice, and you can see it's actually sticking together quite well, so we're gonna flip it. Third tip is to try not to flip the pancake too often, because the more you flip it, the more you might break it.